How to get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Unfortunately, there is no built-in shift lock feature for your Roblox Mobile. However, some Roblox game might have implemented their own custom control or key binding, which means you have to check for specific games in your Roblox to get the shift lock for the particular game. If they have any of their own customized control, you can get yourself the shift lock for the particular game. Now, in order to do so, launch your Roblox first and foremost and check out the settings of your game. In your settings, you need to head over to your camera mode and set it to follow. You can do this by tapping the arrow button. Once the follow mode is selected, you have successfully enabled shift lock for the particular game. And that sums up the tutorial as well. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.